Okay, morning once more. We say today we are going to have a maths lesson, okay? We're going to have a maths lesson. Today we are learning about number stories. You can take that down. Number stories for both addition and subtraction. We're going to learn about number stories for both addition and subtraction. Number stories are very important because they come in paper 2, section B and section C, where you're asked to choose questions. You might find number stories and they contain 5 marks or so. So you must make sure you know what they mean, what the sentences want you to do, okay? In mathematics, it's either you are adding, you are subtracting, you are multiplying, or you are dividing. Today, we are going to do number stories that need us to add and subtract. So for us to see, we are going to start with addition. What are the words, okay? I hope you can take that down. What are the words that help you to see the number story, that this number story needs me to add? What are the key words that we are supposed to take note of for us to know that this number story needs me to add? Okay. Takuza, your hand is already up. Thank you, Takuza. You can give us the words. Sum, yes. If they say sum of, you can take that.
All together.
Together, yes. Thank you. I think Justin, you have something else to say. You can take that. If the question says, what is the sum of 32, 95, and 86? Already the keyword sum of, you know that you have to add. Thank you. If it says, maybe there are 39 cattle, 46 goats, and 26 kids. How many animals are these together? Do you see? Already when you hear the word together or all together, you know this is needing me to add. Okay, thank you for that. Justin, your hand was up. Is there anything else? Anything else that helps us to identify a sum that this number story needs me to add? Yes, Justin, you can talk. Justin?
Take away.
Take away. When you're taking away, are you adding? If it says take away, are you adding? Let's say, Justin, now you are carrying your piece of cake, and then Mrs. Mlotshwa comes and takes it away from you. Do you still have the piece of cake? Do you still have it?
No.
So take away is not when you are adding. You can hold that thought. Take away, we're going to use it when we're talking about something else. Okay, thank you for that contribution, Justin. Anything else? Okay, we said sum of. Yes, Bryce, your hand is up. Yes, Bryce? I cannot hear Bryce. Bryce, your volume is very, very low. I cannot hear you properly. I think, okay, Bryce, can you raise your volume a bit so that I can hear you? Okay, all right, let me give you the words, okay? We said sum of. Another word is total. If you hear a certain number story saying, find the total of 32, 86, and 96, okay? The moment you see the word total means 8, okay? Even if they say 8, 5, and 2, and 3, the word 8 itself, it is used when you want to put a plus sign, okay? Together was mentioned by all together. You can also use the word plus, P-L-U-S. If you find numbers when they say 23 plus, 32 plus, 87 plus, these are numbers these are words that you find on the number stories that are the key words to addition, okay? Remember, number stories are sentences. It can be a long sentence, but as you are reading through that sentence, you are searching for the keywords. The moment you find these keywords, you know what to do, okay? All right, now we're going to subtraction. Subtraction is also another operational method that we use in mathematics. you can find a number story that needs you to subtract. It won't be explicit and tell you subtract this. There are keywords that are going to guide you so that you know that this is needing me to subtract. So what are the keywords? Justin, your hand was up. Yes, Justin?
Difference.
Difference. Thank you, Justin. That is one word. This word difference, they love it a lot. When they say find the difference of 10,500 and 1,732. Difference. That is correct. Takuza. Okay, let's wait for Justin. Justin.
Take away.
Sorry? Yes.
Take away. Take away.
Take away. Thank you. The word take away, remember I said if you are carrying 3 oranges and Mrs. Ndoja comes and takes away 2 oranges, you are left with 1. That word taking away means subtract, or it means minus, okay? Any other word that is a key word that we can use to identify a number story that we have to subtract. Any other keyword other than take away, difference, even minus. They can say minus, so and so minus. This is another keyword. There is also another word called left. Left. They can tell you, they say a farmer had 10,500 goats or 10,500 cattle in his crop. And then there was a huge storm that came. The huge storm wiped away 6,000 animals. How many animals did the farmer were left? Okay, how many animals were left? Okay, the word left, okay, it is also another key word that we use when we are subtracting. Okay, now that we know our keywords, let me give you a number story, and then you are going to work it out and tell me what does it want us to do? Are we subtracting or are we adding? Okay, please listen very, very carefully. It says, mother had 100 oranges. Okay, for now you can listen, then you tell me what you're supposed to do, then we are going to work it out. Mother had 100 oranges. She gave Peter 31 oranges. How many oranges were left? What are you supposed to do there? What is the keyword? Yes, Bryce? The keyword is? The keyword is left. Yes, Bryce. And you are supposed to subtract. Yes. Okay. My number 2, it says, find the difference between 30,200 and 1,426. What is the keyword there, Justin? Yes, Justin?
Keyword is difference.
The
keyword is difference.
And what does it need us to do?
Subtract.
Subtract. Thank you, Justin. That is correct. This one is for you, Takuta. It says, a farmer has 1,103 sheep, 9,936 cattle, 50 donkeys, and 872 goats. How many animals are on the farm? How many animals are on the farm? I left the keyword there. What are you supposed to do on that question? I omitted the keyword there. We start again. I said, a farmer has 1,103 sheep, 936 cattle, 50 donkeys, and 872 goats. Okay. How many animals are on their farm? And then I omitted the keyword. What are you supposed to do there, Takuta? Yes, Takuta? Sorry?
It's on.
How many?
It's on. How many was on the farm?
Yes. So what are you supposed to do there?
Add.
You are adding. Good, Takuta. Now, here is my question. You can take this one down. Then you can, if you do the sum, the first person to do the sum is going to give us the feedback. Okay. There goes my number 1. Remember, this is a story sum, so you have to listen. If you need the numbers again, you can tell me. I will repeat the numbers, okay? All right. It says, A carpenter made 1,000 chairs. A carpenter made 1,000 chairs in January, okay? A carpenter made 1,000 chairs in January. He then made 3,000 chairs in February. He then made 3,000 chairs in February. How many chairs did he make all together? A carpenter made 1,000 chairs in January. He then made 3,000 chairs in February. How many chairs did he make all together? Yes, Justin, your hand is up. Justin?
He made 4,000 chairs altogether.
How did you get that, Justin? How did you come down to 4,000 chairs?
I added 3,000 with 1,000.
Yes, by using which keyword?
Keyword is altogether.
The keyword is altogether. Good. Thank you, Justin. All right. So
Yes.
this one, I'm hoping that someone else is going to get it. Justin has already done his sum. Okay. I'm going to repeat that one for the oranges. Mother had 100 oranges. Okay. Mother had 100 oranges. She gave Mary 40 oranges. Mother had 100 oranges. She gave Mary 40 oranges. How many oranges were left? Mother had 100 oranges. She gave Mary 40 oranges. How many oranges were left? How many oranges were left? How many oranges were left? I need you to give the answer. Tell me how you came down to the answer and the keyword to show that you know the keyword, you know the working and everything else. Done? Chakuto, are you done? Yes,
Yes.
Yes, you can give us your answer.
The answer is 60.
The answer is 60. How did you come down to 60, Chakuto?
I subtracted.
You?
Subtracted.
You subtracted, yes, you subtracted. And what was the keyword that gave you the idea that I must subtract on this sum?
Left.
Left, thank you. That's
Left.
correct, yes. The keyword there is left. So remember, whenever we are doing number stories, you must always read through the whole sentence, okay? Read through the whole sentence, read it twice like it is in English, because this is a sentence. And then you sit down and ask yourself, what is the keyword? When you get the keyword, you now allocate the keyword to the operational method that you're supposed to do. Are you supposed to add? Are you supposed to subtract? Okay, remember there are many methods in mathematics that we use. We add, we subtract, we multiply, we divide. And you might find that whoever is setting the question paper will not is not going to only put addition and subtraction only. They're going to mix. So the only way for you to know what you're supposed to do is if you are able to identify the keywords. And I am happy that you are able, all of you are able to identify the keywords on the story sum. Okay. Okay, let's have the last one before we close. The last one is, okay, a cooperative made 20,712 shares. A cooperative, this is like a small business that is made up of a group of people who come together in a community, okay? A cooperative made 20,712 shares. Okay? 20,712 shares. Yes, Justin, your hand is up. You cannot hear me?
20,000.
20,000.
Can you please repeat? Yes.
Okay, 20,712 shares. You managed to get it.
Yes.
It's
Yes, yes,
112.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, 20,000.
10,112.
712.
20,712 shekels. Did we all get that?
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
1,895 were accidentally stained. 1,895 shirts were accidentally stained. These people are making shirts, and then 1,895 shirts were accidentally stained. Okay.
Okay.
So, how many shirts were now good to be sold?
Shit.
Yes. They made 20,000, and then these 1,895 were accidentally stained.
Now,
So, how many shirts now were now good for sale? So before you start working it out, you can tell me what we are supposed to do on this question. What are we supposed to do? What are we doing here? Yes, Bryce, your hand is up, Bryce. Yes, Sia? Sia? Sia, I cannot hear you. Yes, raise your volume, Sia. Sia? Subtracting. Yes, we are subtracting. Yes. So on this one, we are subtracting because they made 20,000 sheets and then 1,000 were spoiled. Okay. So you know how many are they going to sell? Okay. So they need to remove those other ones that were spoiled so that they can sell the remaining ones, which is left again. Okay. So you can work out your sum when you are done. Please give us your answer. Whoever is done, you can give us your answer before we close our lesson for today. Anyone who is done? Takuta, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your answer, Takuta? What is your answer?
18,817.
Sorry?
18,817.
And 817? 17. Yeah, is that what we got all together? Justin, you are still working out. And Bryce, are you done, Bryce?
19. I got 19,800.
Sorry?
I got 19,817.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Can you check there when we are subtracting there? Remember when you are subtracting, we did subtraction last week. When you are subtracting, you must give and then you come and cancel there. So 20,712 minus 1,895, okay? So you give there, with the 2 minus 5 you give, you cancel 9 becomes 10, 12 minus 5, 7. You give, you cancel 8 becomes a 9. If you get a 1, you give, it cancels the 1 becomes a 2. You give and then you give there. So the answer becomes 18,917. Justin, please check where did you give there and cancel there? Make sure as you give there, you must come and cancel there at the bottom there. Okay? Check, Justin. I'm sure you've managed to see it.
I did.
Do you now see where you made your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I hope you are going to be able to do the work that I'm going to upload on your homework today, okay? Remember
Yes.
the keywords, remember what you're supposed to do, okay? Yes. Make sure you remember the keywords, take note of the keywords, add and subtract correctly, okay? Let me give you a chance to say goodbye to one another before we end our lesson for today.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, Takuzo.
Bye.
Okay, bye guys. Bye Justin. Bye Sia. Bye Takuzwa. See you
Bye,
tomorrow.
Tom.
Okay, so tomorrow don't
Bye,
come again at
Jacqueline.
10:30, okay?
Bye, everyone.
Okay, bye.
Price. Bye, price. Bye.
Bye.